Yo, what's up, guys? Brett Handel here today, bringing you in a sneaker unboxing. Got a box here, scissors. Alright, let's get into it. Got here Jordan 6 and 7 GMP Pack. Size 10 and a half. They were bought at Foot Action. Alright. Oh, they retail for $3.50. I didn't know that. Let's get into them. First we got the 6. We got the little bag for the 6s. Then we got, ooh, these are nice. Got the red Jumpman on the bottom, gold laces, all white pretty much, midsole, gold. Got it like a clear bottom, not even icy blue, it's just like clear. These are yellowing a little bit. Kind of old, well, from 2012, not that old. Got the extra laces here. There, Jordan on the tongue. And you got the, I don't know if you could see, USA. Get the flag on the insole. And the other shoe is, we're all wrapped up in plastic. Kept nice. This one, yeah, this one's not yellowed at all on the bottom. So, got the 6s. Tag, made in China. Wow, I never had a pair of 6s before. Never really felt the tongue. It's weird. Got that heel tab, it's gold. Alright, let's get into the 7s now. Oh, it stays in there. Okay. Ooh, these are so nice. Got the Air Jordan 7 GMP. that bottom. These got the, also have the insoles with the American flag. We got the one all wrapped up. Yeah, the nice suede right here, and then the leather upper, and the gold and the white is really nice. Got the tongue. Just got these in today. Ordered them on, well, I found them through Kixify, but for some reason Kixify isn't working when I go to order the shoes. So I had to like send the guy money through PayPal, and then he sent them. They were supposed to come on Friday, but they came today, so yeah. These are really nice. Been wanting these since SneakerCon in the summer in NYC. I found a pair, but the guy wanted too much money for them, so couldn't get them. Then I ended up getting the LeBron 11 Coppers because I wanted to sell them. But I haven't sold them yet, so if anyone wants to buy those for my sneaker collection video, just hit me up. So, yeah. Got them for a really good price. These are really dope. Look at this. Oh. So, that's my sneaker unboxing for the Jordan 6 and 7 GMP Pack. Hope you liked it. Make sure you like and subscribe to this channel and like the video. So, peace.